This is the moment where science becomes food, where simple ingredients become the creamy base of Heinz mayonnaise through controlled emulsification.
All right, bring it back slowly. Hold it right there. Stop.
Bay 3 is clear for the tanker.
Roger that. Guiding the reefer into Bay 4 now. Temperature check initiated.
Yes, the centrifuge separation confirms high purity levels.
Do you see that?
Yes, that's definitely the contamination. We need to report this immediately.
The safety scores are holding steady. We have another approved batch here.
Good. The chemical composition looks stable. Batch 72A is outside the safety threshold. We cannot let this move forward.
Understood. What about the next sample?
Batch 4, confirmed. No, the mycotoxin levels are too high. Reject.
The mixture suddenly begins to thicken. Oil droplets break down and bind with egg proteins. The natural lemon concentrate is infused into Heinz mayonnaise through high-pressure injection systems. The creamy base subtly brightens in tone and aroma profile.
Inside a massive stainless steel reactor, all flavor elements merge into Heinz.
The sweetness profile is leveling out.
Yep.
And the creaminess is exactly on target. We have the Heinz match. We need to balance the sweetness against the salt profile.
The stability index is holding perfectly steady across all tanks.
Yes, the AI compensated for the micro-adjustment immediately.
Stability is optimal. The batch meets global standards. Confirmed. Pressure and temperature are holding steady.
This stage defines the identity of Heinz mayonnaise, where science, AI, and food engineering create its signature global taste.
The system locks the final emulsion structure of Heinz mayonnaise. No oil separation possible. No texture variation.
The viscosity is holding up well.
It passes the ultra-smooth benchmark. We are good to go.
Advanced thermal regulators ensure Heinz mayonnaise is heated just enough for safety, without affecting taste or texture.
Every sealed bottle of Heinz mayonnaise passes through advanced leak detection scanners.
Sterilization parameters look good. Approved for global export. We are clear.
Checks out. The Heinz pallets are secure.
Confirmed. Seal it up.